Hello, today I have for you the way to put a screen protector on the Google Pixel XL 2. This comes from a company called Khaos, and it's a two-pack. I already have one outside. You're supposed to use, they include a packet with alcohol, an alcohol towelette and wipey. I already did it. I already cleaned my screen. Now I'm just going to peel the back film using gloves, but you can, if you don't have some of the gloves, you just wash your hands and use it the way it is. You just align it with the lower speaker and the front and the upper speaker, but most importantly your camera here. Once you set it, it will stick itself. See how it's spreading around just by itself. Just put a little pressure. And you're good to go. If you have any specks underneath the glass, you can just raise it up a little bit and use the stickers they give you, dust absorber, underneath, and out they will come. That's it. Now, having curved edges, you're never going to find an exact fit for your Pixel. That's it.